What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new administrator user on your Windows 11 computer. So go ahead and click the Windows icon and you simply want to type user accounts, right? So once you start typing that, you'll be able to see user accounts. You'll see add, edit or remove other user on this device. You want to click on that. It will take you here into other users, but if you click back to accounts, you will be able to see quite a lot of information about your account and the type of account that you have, local account, and if you're an administrator as well, right? But if you're going to create the new account, then you can go ahead and you can create it under other users here. And here you are able to click and add account. Now here you can go ahead and you can enter email address or phone number associated with that account that you want to create. Or if you don't want to do that, you can choose I don't have this person's sign-in information, right? Now from here, you are also able to put in a email address here. As you can see here, you can get an email address or you can add the user without a Microsoft account. So you can go ahead and choose that as well. And from here, you can put in the details here, right? So go ahead and you can create the name there and you can enter the password, right? Go ahead and you can re-enter it. Then you want to scroll down and you want to go ahead and fill in those security questions. So I'm going to go ahead and do so. And once you finish filling these, then all you have to do is just go ahead and click on next. And there you have the account. Now, once the account is created, guys, you need to click on the drop down here so that you can change the account type. Now, here you see account options. Go ahead and click change account type. And you will have the option now to switch it from a standard account to administrator account. So once you select that, just simply click on OK. And now you have this new user created with an administrator account. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Now, once you go ahead and restart or sign out of the computer, then you're able to log in using this new account that you've created. And that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful. And if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community. And also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.